Well, I was for Danlad Ibrahim, a Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper. They say, Obin Timmy Kasa, or the first choice, and answer on the first choice because in the last 5 games, I Kumasi Asante Kotoko abono, and yet Danlad nada go no prior and so Danlad was sem kakra, ewaha made bro on if you say now recent game I call so Babara Sports Stadium, across to folk and a ball home, and a Kumasi Asante Kotoko, a ball away, but across to folk. Be anim say Babara ho na Kumasi Asante Kotoko boni home games sika akra so folk rezi no ewa ha ere bro ofi Kwesi Appiah akasa ono nso de nano ato koroko recent fine form yenyen eno ho ensem kakra ewa ha me de bro me pacho wa ha super 24 TV on subscribe ya wadara ma mesrew na wa subscribe ya mame na ya build a house need together de obeya mame ni subscribe button no na wabo so amame na wabo notification bell no so wona ma subscribe dada no otumfo nyankopon insure mo na de woye bia no onto nsupa no enguso ma say de bia me no mienu edika subo mo ha the ogumbo Kumasi Asante Kotoko and I release new artwork in the last Premier League 4 games Kotoko abono and there was screen no so no yes media ma Kotoko share no 1 and Okoshe Legon Cities 3-1 and I was share Brekum Chelsea and I was share Macrasso Folk 3-2 so Ogumbo no eye jumapa Omanfa the FA Cup the no anka ho FA Cup Kumasi Asante Kotoko share Nations FC yes after Oshe Legon Cities no such a Nations FC or FA Cup no so that's no dear coach Kwesi Appiah ejidi say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebetimi aje Ghana Premier League no nsem no I wish Kotoko could win the league but it depends on the strictness of the team now. Prosper Natelgum started with an entirely new team and to get the players to play as a team takes time. Kwesi Appiah, who is also a member of the IMT, told Ghana Sports page the most important thing is to try and win the league. As Utumfo said, if he wins the league, it is a bonus. But if he doesn't, we have to exercise patience and give him some time. Kwesi Appiah and Sema or the Atujana concerning Kumasi Asante Kotoko chances of winning Ghana Premier League. Though. Yes, no. Now, Danlad Ibrahim, you know him say pride, but for the recent times, he onya go ni bi enna, and I say enyo no enna the first choice. Akoye Frederick Asare, and Danlad also munim say contract issue ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. It has been off and on for a while. Say offers bar obeko anase onko, but enyumere information I made a mensaka and I made to just say Danlad enya dia oko baby but subjected to change of mind sa offer biba na Danlad hye se obeko dia Kotoko nso ebeja ne kwan kama na efe se ne be ya Kotoko nso benya sika kakra and no information amate but for now Danlad still stays on call baby information I want.